Namaste yogis, welcome back to our channel Indian Yoga Krishna. I'm your guru Krishna. So guys, as you know, we are learning a yoga series nowadays. It's our 18th day of 30 days yoga challenge series. So if you're watching this, my series, that's very good. And if you are new, then please, one request, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. So you can continue to follow me on this yoga journey. And I hope that you will get some benefits and you like to do the yoga. So welcome to our YouTube family and. Please, if you're new, then please watch any day 1 to day 5 any one video. In that video you will find this are first what we do before we start with the asanas. So in that, particularly in this 5 days, every day I teach how to do the this stretching part and how to do Surya Namaskar. So you might be now thinking, okay, oh, it's a stretching part, we know everything. But no, here in this yoga we do some different way to the stretch our full body, because we do use our this breathing technique also in that stretching part. So just go and watch that, learn that and do, and then when we start from here. So let's start today's yoga class. So what we are doing today, first we are doing, that's called Kamar Chakrasana or Vessel Twister pose. So for that we have to lay down on yoga mat on our back. So just come on yoga mat and lay down. Okay, it's like that. And then place your your heels towards your hips, as close as you can. Put like this one and another one, and just keep your legs closed like this one. Don't be like this one, just normal close one. Okay, and put your hands under your head like this one. And here this one is like your breathing is like normal here. But then when we start doing this yoga pose, the first breathe in and then go right side of your face, and then your leg should be left side like this one. Okay, it's a breathe out. Now from here, while breathing, till here is breathe in, and from here is breathe out. Okay, breathe in and breathe out. 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 Breathe in and relax. Here is the thing. It's like one circle of your legs, one circle of your breathe. Whenever your legs going like right side or left side towards the yoga mat, then it's a breathe out. Whenever they are coming to this position, like from here, till is breathe in and it's a breathe out. Till is breathe in and it's a breathe out. So it's like only the one breathe in out. Don't here it's normal. Here is not a normal breathe. It's the same breathe in out, because it's a one circle of your breathe. It's one circle, right? So from here like that, and then out. Don't do like this one, and then breathe out. Again breathe in and breathe out. Don't do like this one. Okay, just breathe in, breathe out. Okay, now you learn this one, the West Twister pose. Okay, now second one, that's called Padvritasana or circle pose. So in this one, just lay straight like this one, and put your hands side of your body here, and then while breathing, lift your legs and make a circle with. And when you go like upside, then it's a breathe in, and when you're coming down, it's a breathe out. It's like that. Breathe in, and from here it's breathe out. Okay, so breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. One circle of your legs, one circle of your breathe. Okay, do it 10 times with each side, like clockwise and anti-clockwise. So first let's do the clockwise 5 times. I'll do 5 times, but you have to do at least 10 times. Okay, so first breathe in, breathe out. Keep your knee straight. Don't do like this one. Okay, straight. One more. Clockwise. Now anti-clockwise. One more. Okay, now we're done with the right leg. Now with the left leg, the same. First clockwise, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe, Okay, now anti-clockwise. Breathe in, breathe out. 2, breathe out. 3, breathe out. 4, breathe out. One more. 5, and breathe out. Okay. Now we're done with the both legs, but you have to do at least 10 times with each leg. Okay, 10 times clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise, and then after you finish your right and left both legs, then we do with the both legs together. So in this one, just place your hands under your hips, so you'll get some support for your back. Okay. So first, let's do 5 times with the clockwise, 5 times with the anti-clockwise. You can do 7 times. Okay, you don't have to do 10 times because it's both legs together and it's hard. Okay, or it's supposed to be hard. So 1, breathe out. 2, breathe out. 3, breathe out. Okay, and now anti-clock. Don't put your legs on yoga mat. Okay, continue. Okay, now relax. Now you can relax. Okay, relax for a bit, maybe 30 to 1 minute, 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay. Okay, so now we do cobra pose or bhujangasana, and we know that how to go into that bhujangasana or cobra pose. So for that we have to lay down on our stomach. So turn around. Place your hands side of your body, your shoulder line, and heel straight like this one. And while breathing, come and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and slowly down and breathe out. Okay. Try to don't lift too much. Okay. Try to just kind of your navel area should be on yoga mat. So be there. Okay. Breathe in and hold. Don't do like this one. Okay. This is wrong. Do actually this one, and don't go your elbow out. Just keep your close of your body. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out. Okay. Do it at least 5 times. Okay. And now the next one. That's called twisted cobra pose. So in this one, we keep our legs wide, and here you can put your legs like this one. Okay. And here the same, first lift with the breathing, but from here it's a breathe out and go and look from, like right now I'm looking for the left side, so I'll look for my right leg. 1, 2, it's a breathe out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and while breathing front and breathe out. Okay, let's do with the right side. First breathe in and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay, let's do one more time. Okay, first breathe in and breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Breathe in and breathe out. Last, breathe in, breathe out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in and breathe out. So this is we do twisted cobra pose. So do it at least 3 times with each side. I did 2 times with each side, but you have to do at least 3 times each side. Okay, and then relax for 30 seconds. And now the next one, that's called Salvasana or locust pose. So in this one, lay down and hands side of your body like this one, and while breathing lift your legs, the lower part and your upper part, and your hand should be also lifted in the air like this one. Let's do it. Okay, while breathing and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out, relax. Okay, let's do one more time. Okay, breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe out and relax. Okay, this is the relaxing position, or you can put your hands under your chin like this one, and this one also the relaxing position here. Okay, now the next one, that's called crocodile pose or makrasana. So how we do this one? Very easy to do this one, but very good for the heart. So in this one, we give support to our chin like this one, and just do legs rotate like this one. Just breathe normal. That's it. Nothing to do. But keep in mind, breathe normal and don't do like this one. Like this. No. Just move your legs. And do it at least 2 minutes, and then do it with the both legs. So both legs together like this one. 1, 2, do it at 30 times. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so do it in 30 times, and then relax. Okay. Okay. Okay, now we done with the today's yoga asanas. Now we do some pranayams and then finish with the Om chanting and Shavasana. So let's do some pranayams. Now let's do the C3 pranayam, or you will say the cooling breathing technique. This will cool your body. If you will do any time, it will cool down almost like a 3 to 4 degree of your body temperature. So you can do it in, especially in this summertime when there is a heat everywhere, there is so much hot outside, then you can just do this one, cool down your body temperature. So how you going to do it? First, see, there is a 2 variation of this one. So first I'm teaching you the easy one. So in this one, just make it round like the lips like this one, like this one. You are just kind of roll, or making a small this circle in between your lips, and then you taking breathing through that area only. Okay, and then making sound. It's like a whistle. When you whistle, you make this kind of the pose from your lips. So let's do it, and then breathe in. Now in whistle you breathe out, but here you breathe in. Okay, only the difference. And then close and breathe out through your nose. Again. It will give you so relaxation, so cooling, so relax your brain. Again. Okay, let's do one more time. Okay, so this is the first variation. Now second one, in this one is a different one, is a little bit hard one. In this one, you just tongue out and then roll your tongue and make a circle, and then through that you just breathe in. So see how it looks like, and when you try to do it with me. Okay, so first tongue out and roll. Good. Again. Now let's do it with me. Very good. Let's do one more time. Good. Now we're done with the Sitli pranayams or the cooling breathing technique. Now the second one, that's called Sitkari, or in English also you will say this one, the hissing breathing technique. So in this one, like the last one, we breathe in through our tongue. In this one, we breathe through our teeth and then breathe out through our nose. So in this one, just close your mouth and touch your both upper and lower teeth, and then through them just breathe in and then breathe out through your nose. So first it clears and then open your mouth, like this, and then breathe, breathe in, deep breathe in. Keep in mind, just always deep breathe in and then deep breathe out. Deep inhale till you can't, you can't take more breath in your lungs till that point, and then hold, and then slowly breathe out. Okay, just like that. Now let's do it. Breathe out again. Let's do one more time. Okay, now we done this Sitkari or the hissing breathing technique. Okay, now we're gonna do Om, the last one, and then after the Shavasana, and then we finish. So you know how to do the Om, okay? But still, I'll tell you, your breath 65% is your O, and last 35% of your breath is may sound. Okay, let's do it at least 7 to 10 times, but I'm gonna do 4 to 5 times only. Okay, let's breathe in. Do it according to your breath capacity. Okay, if you have 10 seconds breath capacity, then do it at least 6 minutes O and last 4 minutes So I'm doing according to my breathing capacity, so you do according to yours. Okay. One more time. Okay, don't open your eyes and go to the Shavasana, the corpse pose. Okay? Just relax, just lay down yoga mat freely, no tension, any body part, just relax on every body part, okay? Just drop your shoulder, loose your back muscles, thighs, stomach, hands, fingers, knees, elbows, everything just relax. No tension, any body parts. Okay, now join your hands, rub them, make them warm. Gently on eyes, forehead, cheeks, and the last one is throat. And let's do one more time. Don't open your eyes, stay here. Okay, now you can slowly open your eyes. Don't get up straight away, okay? Just turn around this side. Sleep here or maybe stay here for 5 to 10 seconds. Relax your body. And then while taking support from your right hand, there. And the last stretching part. So first, breathing. Go to the right knee side. Breathe in. And left knee side. Breathe in. And the front side. Okay, so that's all about today's yoga class, and I hope you like today's class. So how are you feeling right now? Please mention in comment section. I will really love to know that how you feeling right now. And if you're new, then please, as I mentioned, please subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon, so we can grow our this YouTube family. And I'm really glad that you guys watching this one, and we are growing our this YouTube family, and some way I'm helping you to achieve your your health goal. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to share and like this video and comment and subscribe, everything. Okay, so that's all about today's yoga class. So tomorrow we're going to learn something new, yoga poses. So see you in the tomorrow's yoga class. Till then, bye bye, thank you, stay safe, namaste.